Welcome to this Enado training video on building a macro. One of the great features of Enado is the ability to fully customize macro buttons. In order to assign commands to create custom macros, control codes need to be entered into Enado or downloaded from the online library. To access this, go to Libraries, Active Device Commands. From the Active Device Command Library, you can download commands into Enado. As you can see, we have downloaded command sets prior from multiple manufacturers. For this example, we will be creating a macro using an activity button within a zone. As you can see, there are 4 activities within this zone. We will use the Blu-ray player activity button to create the macro. To begin assigning commands to the macro, select the Edit button next to the command field. Add a command by selecting the Add Command button. Here you can see the list of commands available. Select a manufacturer and device, then set the command. For this macro, we will be assigning the following commands: Matrix switch input 3 to output A, power on Sony TV, power on LG Blu-ray player, power on Denon AVR, set input on Denon AVR. Once the command has been added, the port it will be sent out of needs to be configured at Edit Port. The type of command selected will dictate what port it can be sent out of. The command to switch the I/O of this matrix is an IP command, so only Ethernet ports are selectable from this list. As you can see, there are multiple named IR and Ethernet ports. These have been configured using the I/O connectivity tool. For more information on how this tool operates, view our additional training videos on Enado. Now the rest of the commands can be added to this button by repeating the same process. Considering that most devices do not power instantly, we are adding a delay after the TV and AVR are powered on before sending input commands. Now that the delay command is entered, the input commands for the AVR can be assigned. Enado is also capable of triggering events such as raising or lowering a projector screen using the GPIO ports. To do so, click the Add Relay Command button. If you have a relay to command, it will appear here. Most events, like triggering a projector screen, can be accomplished by creating a closed circuit. You can create a closed circuit by choosing On for the relay command. Now that all the commands are added, simply select the OK button. As you can see, there is a yellow M icon on the Blu-ray player activity. This indicates that there are multiple commands assigned to it. The final step now is to publish the project for the macro to take effect in the live system. You can access the live project by entering Enado's IP address into a web browser or by scanning the QR code. Once in the live project, navigate to the macro you created and select it to trigger the commands. Programming macros makes system operation easy for the end user, and you can create as many macro operations as you need. Thank you for watching this Enado training video on building a macro. For more videos, visit our YouTube channel.